Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Toniebox won't turn on. Power and charging troubleshooting guide for Toniebox. Fix 1. Check the power supply and charging stations. Many Toniebox power problems are caused by charging issues rather than the Toniebox itself. Plug the charging station directly into a wall outlet instead of using an extension cord or power strip. Make sure you are using a compatible 5-volt power adapter as some fast charging blocks may not work correctly. Check that the charging cable is firmly connected to both the adapter and charging station. Inspect the metal charging contacts on the bottom of the Toniebox and the charging station. Remove any dust, dirt, or debris that could prevent charging. Fix 2. Perform a hard reset. Power cycle. If the Toniebox has powered but does not respond, a restart can often fix temporary software issues. Remove the Toniebox from the charging station, turn it upside down, press and hold both ears at the same time for about 10 to 40 seconds. Release the ears when you hear a sound or notice the device restarting. Try turning the Toniebox on again normally. Fix 3. Recover a deeply discharged battery. If the Toniebox has not been used for a long time, the battery may be completely drained. Place the Toniebox on the charging station. Leave it connected for at least 6 hours even if no lights appear immediately. Wait for the charging indicator to appear. After charging, try powering it on by squeezing one of the ears. Fix 4. Check for internal battery connection issues. In rare cases, the internal battery connection may become loose or faulty. If the Toniebox only works while sitting on the charging station, the battery may not be charging correctly. Watch for signs such as immediate shutdown after removing it from the charger or very short battery life. If the device still will not power on after charging and resetting, the battery may require repair or replacement. Fix 5. Contact Tony support. If your Toniebox shows no lights, no sounds, and does not respond after charging and resetting, note your Toniebox ID or serial number. Contact Tony support and explain the troubleshooting fixes you have already completed. The link will be mentioned in the description. When you click on the link, a web page will be appear to your screen like this. So here you can ask for help. For your questions, you can click here. If the Toniebox is still under warranty, Tonys may provide a repair or replacement option also. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.